Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of editing your website, okay, and an introduction to your admin area. So when you log into your admin area, you will see this, and on the left side, you'll see all your menu options. Okay, so we have posts here, which is blog posts on the website there under the blog section, if you've got the blog set up. See all the posts here. So if I want to edit this sample blog post, I will go into the post section, all posts, and find the post that I want to edit and simply click it to edit it. Okay, and then we have the title of the post at the top here, and then down below in the content area we have the text, and then on the right hand side under featured image we have the featured image of the blog. Okay, so any changes you make sure you click update. If you want to add a new blog, simply click the add new button at the top, put in your post title, add your content, and then also upload or add your featured image. Okay, so that's your blogs. Next section down is media. This is where all your images are located and stored, and files, PDFs, and things like this. If you want to add any new media, just click add new, and you can drag and drop them here or click select files box. Next down we have forms. We have one form on the website, which is the contact form, which you can see on the contact page here. Okay, anyone completing this form will be sent to the admin email of the website, which you will have details of. So to edit a form, you just click the form name and it will take you through to the boxes here. Yeah, if you want to add any new fields, you can do this by dragging and dropping these into the form from there. Okay, and make sure you click update once done. When a form is completed, it is sent to the admin email address of the website. Okay, and you can change the notifications here by going settings, notifications, and editing the admin notification. Like I say, by default it goes to the admin email address, which is here. But if you want to change where the form is sent to, you can just put your email address in here, a different email address. Okay. Make sure the form is always sent from the admin email, otherwise it might get blocked as spam if you change that. Okay. Next section down is the pages, which is the most important one. So these are all the pages of your website. Okay. So if I want to edit the About Us page, we will come to the About Us page in the admin area. And you'll click Launch Beaver Builder. Okay, so this is the building functions of the page. Don't try and edit the page by clicking text editor, because this will break all the Beaver Builder layout and formatting. So generally all your web pages are built using Beaver Builder. So to launch the build builder, just click Launch Beaver Builder, and that will then take me into the editing mode of that page. So I can scroll down and you see as I hover over the different sections of the page, yeah, it shows me a highlighted module box. So if I click into this, I can then edit the text or whatever content is related to that box. So this is an image module. So if I click that, I can then change, yeah, the image here by clicking edit and choosing a new image. Yeah, so there's different modules. So for example, this is a list module. If you want to edit any existing items, just click edit on that or add a new one. You can just click add new. Yeah. As you can see, this list has various formatting already applied. So this little arrow. So if you want to add new list items to an existing list, it's best to duplicate using the little duplicate option here of an existing item like that, and then edit that to your new text. And as you can see, once you click save, you will be able to see the new item here. I'm just going to delete that item by clicking the little cross and then click save. If you want to add a new content, some new content into this page, you'll click the plus item in the top right corner and then choose what kind of item you want to add. So if it's just a block of text, you'll use a text editor or a photo. Yeah, so there's many different modules here for different things that you might want to add. So for example, if I want to add a new row at the top here with some new text in, so I want to put a heading first. So I drag or drop across the heading, and you see I can just drop it into any of these existing modules or sections, or I can put it into a new section, a new row. So I want to put this heading into a new row. I'm just going to type new heading, and you can see it appears there. You can change the type of heading it is. Okay, and click save. So we have our new heading here. Now if I want to add some text underneath, just drag and drop the text editor underneath the heading, and then you can put your text in there and click save. You can adjust spacing and things like this of the different modules. So for example, if I don't want so much space underneath this heading, go into the heading, go into the module and go to the advanced tab, and you'll see there's margin spacing here. So if I want to change the spacing from the bottom margin so the text isn't so far away, I can change this to 0. You can see it moves a bit closer. Or if you want to make it bigger, you can change it back, or I can just use this slider to change the spacing. Okay. So if I want it even closer still, I just change the spacing of the header. So now if I want it even closer, I can change the spacing of, say, the text box. The top margin of the text box, I will change to 0. As you see, it comes even closer. Yeah. Just had to add new sections. So you can see this isn't a row, a new row. If you want to change the background color of the row, you click on the row settings here. And if I go to style and down to background type, at the moment, it's got none. I can change that to a color, and I can choose the new background color for that row here. Yeah. If I just want to make it a slight gray, I can just change that there to give me the new row color. Okay, so for example, I want to add some additional information on the right hand side of this block of text and heading. I can then add a new module, say for example a photo. I want to drag that and drop that. I want that to appear to the right of this, so I can just put it across so it appears in a new column on the right side. And then I can choose the photo that I want to use. Select that and choose the size of the photo. So just choose large and then save. And you see now the photo appears here. If you want to manually make it smaller, you can just change the size like this. And so you can see the editing of the pages is quite flexible to achieve what you want. If I want to delete a section, I can just click remove. If you want to copy a section, you can click the duplicate option here. I'm just going to delete this whole row now by going up and clicking remove. Okay. Once you're done, make sure you click the done button in the top, and it's going to ask you what you want to do, whether you want to save a draft, discard it, or publish. So discard will be discard any changes you've made. Save a draft will be to save a draft of the changes, so they won't be made live or public, or I can click publish, and that will publish the changes I've made to the live site. Okay, back into the admin area. And that's pretty much it, really. Rank Math is all for your SEO settings, okay, which we'll have another tutorial on this. And Social Warfare is for your social sharing. At the moment, the social share buttons appear automatically under your blog posts. So if I go to blog and then into any of the posts, you'll see at the bottom we have the social share options here. Okay, so these are managed under Social Warfare. At the moment we have these ones displaying, but you can add new ones to here by dragging and dropping them up. And then you can choose where the share buttons are displayed. At the moment they're just displayed below the post content automatically. Okay, so that's an intro of how to use your website. Hope you find that handy.